Just like the sight of swallows signifies the arrival of spring, the 1st of September ushers in the longest Yuletide celebration on the planet here at home, care of the sweet, lilting carols of one Jose Marichan. And peddlers of Christmas decor are all too eager to cash in on pre-Advent sales, as our Isaiah Mirafuentes reports.
It is officially the bear months. The Christmas season can already be felt in the air. It feels like just yesterday you were still eating salad from last Christmas. And yes, today is September 1, no turning back. The holiday season is near.
Whenever I see boys and girls selling lanterns on the street, I remember the child and the manger as he sleep.
Starting today, we will begin hearing the songs of Jose Marichan. Here at the Dapitan Arcade in Quezon City, Christmas goods are already flooding the stalls. According to vendors, their products are cheaper now since demand is still relatively low. That's why some of our fellow countrymen are taking advantage of the lower prices of Christmas decorations. Compared to other markets, prices here are generally lower because it is a direct supply market for Christmas decors. Just like Nani Francesca, together with her family, they have already shopped here in Dapitan.
Kasi po pagka oras na po ng mga October, November, nahihirapan na rin po pumunta kami dito, dami ng tao. Kaya ngayon lang po, namili na kami.
Every year, they shop for Christmas decorations because, for her, the symbols of Christmas are important. It is also only during Christmas that she gets to be with her children. And this is the only time they can spend time together as a family. For the prices of Christmas decorations, the price of Santa Claus figure starts at 1,200 pesos to 2,800 pesos. Small Santa Claus figures is 3,400. Christmas tree with lights made from fiber resin, price starts at 1,000 pesos to 1,200 pesos. The hanging Santa Claus, 150 pesos to 850 pesos. The ornaments is 100 pesos. Christmas lanterns, 750 pesos to 3,500 pesos. The price of Christmas village design starts from 350 pesos to 1,200 pesos. The Christmas tree starts at 1,500 pesos to 4,500. The Christmas lights, 200 pesos to 2,500 pesos. And the Christmas balls starts at 500 pesos to 800 pesos. The Dapitan Arcade is open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Isaiah Mirafuentes from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.